This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a four-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and aluminum wheels. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Phil Long Ford at Chapel Hills is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1565 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs.